Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring alphabets, numbers and 3D shapes. Kids, first we are using and mixing the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. Now we mixing green color, and first we coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we mixing and using the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, we again using green color. C for cow, C for cat, and the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Subscribe to our channel. D for dog, D for doll, and the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. E for egg, E for elephant. Now we coloring numbers. Kids, now we using the color of yellow. Now we mixing yellow color. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we coloring 2D shapes. First we coloring triangle, the shape of triangle, and the next one is circle. The next one is heart, the shape of heart. Kids, now we're using the color of red. Now we're coloring the shape of heart. The next one is star, the shape of star. The next one is pentagon. Now we are using the color of black. Kids, now we are using the color of black. The shape of pentagon. The last one is square. The shape of square. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.